Hi everyone, this is Albert P. Cañedo. So we have a new laboratory exercise called labor- forecasting for decision supports for data minings. So we have provided data sets here, which the goal is to analyze is to help manage predict sales for the second half of the 2023 to improve inventory planning. So let's look at the provided data. Kita na to diri or provided data. Makita na to diri ay monthly sales figures for the first half of 2022 and 2023 sub here 2023. We have a monthly year months and naputay sales months. So seasonality, so sales tend to the February, the February, and ang peak niya is June, onto June, March ano June. The trend dito is there is a strong upward trend for example not sa 2023 are consistent higher pa siya unlike sa 2022. Yep. Let's go to our Jupyter notebook. So for task 2, next is the task 2, research at least two forecast algorithms. So compare based on data size, complexity, o entretability. Okay, ito ang Jupyter notebook. So, itong icon nga algorithms is seasonal decompositions and linear decompositions. So while seasonal decomposition is great for repeating patterns, so wapo ni siya for balik-balik na patterns, but it's required data for specific months. So I try to predict which we have, which have we don't have for July through December. Therefore, I selected linear regression. So, anong gamit na akong linear regression? So, ang approach niya is allowed us to model the operate growth trend over time since the business is growing steady. So, ang trend projection po niya is the most reliable way to fill the missing months. So you can see, naman itong data sets 3. So from the months of June, February, March, April, and muna yung sales niya here, muna itong month map and trained algorithms sa linear regressions and so on. Ano lang visualization. And here, makita na to diri ang time index. So from July 19, 2021 and forecast sales is nakasaka siya hangtod December. Moving on the implementation sa ato ang Pythons here is first I prepare data since ang algorithm na to kay country text like January or February directly. So convert na ko siya in dates into time index to time index. So from January 2022, January 2022, mahimo siya index 1. Okay, index 1. Hangtod siya sa June 2023, mahimo siya index 18. Index 18. 1 to 18. Okay, 18, 1, 191. So, next is import na ko ang linear regressions for models from the skill is skill scikit scikit scikit-learn library. I train the model using the time time index as x, okay, as x, and the sales is y. So finally, to answer the laboratory, itong requirements sa laboratory, so I created new array. So for the next months, so yeah, ano siya, for next months, and indicate nga 19 hangtod 24 ning giasa to nga model to predict the sales and values. Ano tong ano, ato ang datas graphs para sa tong